So the organizational layout is such that company codes are operational units that control plants and logistics and supply chain. Okay. Now, what is a plant where either stock is getting ready or is being procured or stored? And if you talk about logistics layout and planning and development or engineering layout, then of course the layout is such that plants actually have storage locations and locations where these plants are located and where the storage units are located for these plants. Now, if we talk about material master, a material master is basically where your materials are actually built and defined. So let's see what on this server. Okay, let's get back later on to this. So material master is what you actually create in SAP as raw material, semi-finished good, and finished good. And these are some of the segments like client. And client actually has these like material number, description, and so on. Plant has MRP data, storage location has stock quantities, and so on. Now we have industry types in SAP that we define. Industry types like mechanical engineering, civil engineering, petrochemicals. Now these are your industry types. Or if you talk about manufacturing like glass, that also becomes industry sector. And within industry sector, we have material types like raw material, semi-finished good, and finished goods. And others basically are services or design or documentation. These are also part of material types. So material types basically is having features that are common to materials, and those materials can relate to this material type. We can change material type as long as there is no stock in that material for that material. So we can change the family of that material from one material type to another. Industry sectors, yes, they can be many, as we can see over here. Okay, and for each industry sector, we have different treatment in SAP. So broadly, what do we have in Material Master? We have these screens, okay, and these part segments that make up a Material Master, like quality, QM, accounting, storage,